everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm doing events decor, but 8 months ago now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today's video I'm going to flip this beauty buffet. My sister gave to me a while ago. She moved off the States and give a few big pieces she don't want to take with her. I didn't know what I'm doing with this big and heavy buffet, but the idea comes to my head now. On this buffet I'm going to doing for my first time racing stencils with glass bead gels with some golds and some details. Let's go to start and see the final work. I got this buffet a while ago from my sister. She moved off the state and gave to me for free. I have this buffet in my workshop for a while, that's why it's so dirty. It's in pure good condition. It's a very good piece, solid wood, need you cleaning. I really love solid wood from 1974, it's a vintage one. First, I removed the hardware for make a good cleaning. I'm sorry guys, my camera died on the first coat of paint. I'm using the Bear paint. It's a custom color midnight blue mixed with esmeralda green and make this beautiful color. The first coat covers so well. I really like this paint. I'm doing a light sandy between coats. quick look before when I start with and after. I love how this buffet turns out. I'm in love with this buffet. These stencils I really love. I love the hardware no pops up because I want to design pops up. I really love these gold details. I'm in love with the color. This is my favorite colors, green and gold. Let me know what you guys think about this buffet makeover. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make it. See you next one. Bye!